The family I grew up in, I remember my mother had probably what was the equivalent of medical malpractice conducted on her later in her life, and Mom and Daddy, like I said, Mom and Daddy were old school, so legal and pursuing legal things just wasn't an option. And I remember thinking, it's good that they feel that way to a certain extent, but you can end up being a victim by not protecting yourself. I would like to think that when the insurance agent calls me from the car that hit me, that their whole purpose is just to get my information so they can speed my claim along the way. What I've seen in this business is, unfortunately, that's not the case. And again, they're probably nice people that have families and lives just like the rest of us, but they have a job to do. And their job is to pay as little to none that they can in a case. And so although it's funny the attorneys end up getting the bad rap that they're out to get money, if we could ever get the insurance companies to treat you fairly in the first place, you wouldn't have to come see us. But unfortunately, what I see happen, they're prepared when you're not. They're prepared and not emotionally involved when you or a loved one is facing a serious illness, a life-threatening disability. You're not emotionally equipped oftentimes to deal with that. Then couple that with have a job, have a responsibility for their company to seize any opportunity they can to minimize your claim. And so that's the difficulty. I tell people, because I run into people at church that have issues, or friends, or people on the campaign trail, and I said, look, just come sit down with us. It doesn't cost anything. We're not going to scare you into hiring us, when you come, and let's talk about what you got. Because what I like doing, whether you hire us or not, I would rather sit down and tell you how to best protect yourself, even if you thought you didn't need our help, than allow you to later on come back. And I've had it happen time and time again. A year or two down the road, somebody come back and said, I thought I could that lady was very nice when she called. I thought I could handle it. And next thing they're saying, they might pay my medical bills, they might not.